Hey, it's JJ and welcome to my December holiday series. Today I'm doing a full face golden glam holiday look using the new holiday makeup. So my face is primed and moisturized, so I'm starting off with Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 150. Firstly, I'm going in with a brush, and later on I'll go over everything with a beauty sponge. Combining these two have recently been my favorite way of applying foundation to get that perfect finish.
Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la.
For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind or Anti-Age Eraser. It's called differently in the US and here in Europe. But anyway, it's my go-to for covering those bad circles under the eyes. I'm also using it to prime my eyes and highlight the nose, the forehead, upper lip, and chin. Recently, I'm having such trouble sleeping because I'm so close to my due date and I'm huge. And it's getting really hard to get comfortable. So heavy coverage is much needed.
Out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, ho, ho.
To set in stone what I've done so far, I'm using my Chanel setting powder. I need to get another powder, I know, but it's so hard to find anything as good. If you have any recommendations for an affordable setting powder that works wonders and does not dry out the foundation, please leave a comment below. Also, these pink brushes you'll see me using in this video are from the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz brush set, and I'm obsessed with them.
Stop reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go?
To contour, I'm opening up my new Benefit Hoola bronzer because I hit pan on my last one. And we all know and love this bronzer, so no additional words are needed. And I'm also using the bronzer from the Sephora Holiday Collection Face and Eyes palette, the Enchanting Colors, to warm up my cheeks a bit more. And this brush became my favorite brush ever from the very first use. It's so easy to contour with it. What I like to do is first turn the narrow side to create the contour where I want it to be by dragging the product under my cheekbones, and then turn the brush to blend. In this way, we're getting the most product right under the cheekbones to create that shadow, and it's fading away as you go up so the contour looks more natural. Also from the Enchanting Colors palette, I'm using this blush shade to give some life to my cheeks.
Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together.
Setting the face with some illuminating setting spray, and we can move on to the eyes. I'm starting with Too Faced Under the Christmas Tree Holiday Set, and I'm taking the color Christmas Wish as my transition shade. With a blending brush, I'm going all over and above my crease area in windshield wiper motion.
La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. La 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 la
Next, also from the middle palette of the Under the Christmas Tree set, I'm taking the shade Christmas Morning and doing the exact same thing.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little one.
Then from the Enchanting Colors palette, I'm taking this gorgeous orangey red shade Moonlight Obsession, and with a much smaller blending brush, I'm going right in that crease area. I'm really happy with this palette, by the way. So affordable and performs amazingly. So what more can you ask for? If you want to check out the swatches of all the shades, it's in my Sephora holiday haul video and the link will be in the description box. Next, I'm going back in with Christmas Wish and making sure that everything blends together.
Stop reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys.
Next, I'm taking this cool tone dark brown shade Fantasy World, and with a small precise blending brush, I'm placing the color very tightly in my crease.
Click, click, click. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Then, with a completely clean, fluffy blending brush, I'm going over my crease area. I want to create a smooth transition between each shade, and the only way to do it is to turn on the blending maniac in you. Now I'm using the biggest palette from the Under the Christmas Tree set, and I'm taking the darkest shade called Under the Mistletoe to make the shadow where I'll cut the crease. I'm also using a very small precise blending brush because I don't want the dark shade to end up too high. I wanted to keep it very low in the crease. Then I'm taking this light cool tone shade from the Enchanting palette called Magical Spell, and I'm going in between the darkest shade and all of the rest to ensure it's a smooth and blended transition between the colors and there are no harsh lines. And with a concealer and a flat synthetic brush, I'm cutting the crease. Next, I'm taking this golden shimmery shade Rocking Around from the Too Faced set, and with a flat brush that I previously spritzed with some setting spray, I'm packing the color in the inner third of my lid.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
Then also with a wet flat brush, I'm taking the shade Cozy Up to Christmas. It's a gorgeous shimmery color somewhere between red and orange, and I'm placing it right in the center of my lid.
Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la.
Next, I'm taking the shade Dream It, Believe It, also from the same middle palette of Under the Christmas Tree set. And I'm tapping it very lightly in between the first two lid shades to create a nice transition between the two. Next shade is Wishful Thinking, and it's a dark brown shade with gold shimmer. It's a very unique color. I'm placing it in the outer V of my lid, creating like a cat eye effect.
Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
I'm blending the shade with that shimmery red, and also in the outer corner I'm blending it with the darkest matte shade from the crease, so it gives like a smoky effect while still being sharp. I'm loving this Too Faced set. The colors are gorgeous and pigmented, but the fallout is crazy, so doing my foundation first was not a good idea. To highlight my inner corners, I'm using the face palette from the Too Faced set and the highlighter in Angel Kisses. And for the brow bone, I'm using the highlighter from the Enchanting Colors palette. For the lower lashes, I'm starting with the shade Christmas Morning. I'm just blowing out the shade all the way below my lower lashes. I want my lower lashes to be quite smoky for this look. Next, I'm taking the shade Moonlight Obsession and pretty much doing the same thing. Next, I'm taking that cool tone brown Fantasy World and I'm connecting the outer corner of my lower lashes to the outer corner of my lid to tie up the entire look. To finish it up, I put a wing liner and cleaned up my lash extensions from the shadow fallout, and I'm done with the eyes. And for some much needed glow, I used the highlighter from the Enchanting Colors palette.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with a...
And of course, for me it's a must to drown myself in the Makeup Revolution Illuminating Setting Spray. And for the lips, I'm using the Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Sugar Cookie from the Too Faced Smells Like a Christmas set. I know it's all about the red lip for holidays, but I cannot part ways with my nudes. If you like this look for holidays, give this video a thumbs up. And if not, well, then subscribe to my channel because there's more to come. See you next time. Bye.